Hello, good afternoon, Sultan.
Good morning, because I'm in Saudi Arabia. How are you?
Okay, it's afternoon here. I'm fine. Thank you for asking.
Great.
Okay, so you're settled in Saudi Arabia or are you visiting Saudi Arabia?
I live in Saudi Arabia. I've been living here
Okay,
for the last 3 years.
okay. So you work there?
Yes, I work here.
Okay, that's nice. So let me know how can we help you here at Clapingo. Do you have any specific questions?
No, but I just want to have a general conversation to practice my
Okay.
English, to hone my skills. That's all.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Let me introduce myself first.
Sure,
So,
sure.
as I told you that I am in Saudi Arabia and I have been living
Hmm.
here for the last 3 years.
Hmm.
By profession, I'm a teacher. I teach English in an international school here in Saudi
Okay,
Arabia.
all
And
right.
uh, that's all. I'm from Pakistan, basically. That's all from my side. What about you?
Okay. So I'm talking to you from Chandigarh. Chandigarh is in North India. It's the capital of Punjab
Hmm.
here. And I used to work as a copywriter. I worked as a copywriter for many years.
Right.
And I joined Clapingo this year as a speaker partner. So this is what we are doing here at Clapingo. We are just helping people practice their conversational skills
Hmm.
and that's about it. You are already an English teacher. There are quite a few English teachers here in India as well who are teaching students in smaller towns, smaller cities. So
Hmm.
they join Clapingo with the intention to level up their skills.
Right.
But going by what I can hear from you, you already seem to be in a good place. Since 3 years is a long time to teach
Mhm.
English full time. You've been teaching it. This is like your only job role, right?
Right. Hmm.
Right. So that already puts you in a very good place. Uh, so what happens here at Clappingo, we just have conversations around the specific topic,
Hmm.
and people who can have some level of substance in the conversation, as in have a discussion with depth with someone.
Hmm.
It just goes to show that their communication skills are at a higher level than somebody who just struggles to improve himself or herself, or just tries to figure out how to frame a basic sentence and then come up with a logical answer. So
Right.
that's what we do. We cater to all needs.
Hmm.
If you don't mind my asking, what exactly are you looking to improve, or you just want to test yourself and assess yourself?
As I told you that I just want to practice my English. Previously, I was on Cambly, and I used.
Okay.
Maybe you have heard of it. Uh,
Yes, I have heard of it.
So I used to practice English with native speakers, but you know that it is
Hmm.
too expensive. Uh,
Hmm.
I like I have been on Cambly for the last 3 years, not 3 years, I think almost 2 years. Now my subscription will end in the next month. So I was just
Okay.
trying to experience or trying to see some other alternatives.
Okay. Okay, I get it.
Yes, please.
So all the speakers on Clappingo, they are from India.
Hmm.
I don't think you will talk to anybody from another country. Yes, as far as I know, they haven't started hiring from people. This haven't started hiring people from other countries because Clappingo is an Indian company and it
Right.
has an Indian founder, and we are
Hmm.
looking to expand to other countries as a service provider. But I don't know if they started hiring. So most of the speakers, there are about 150 plus speakers. All of them will be Indian,
Uh-huh.
and so they are likely to have an Indian accent.
Hmm.
Their accent will be very close to the way Pakistanis speak. I think so.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you're okay with that, then you shouldn't have any problem because as far as you're concerned, you just need to practice, right? You need to engage with people one to one.
Yes, exactly. Actually, I watch a lot of videos on YouTube, like Clapingo teachers have a conversation with their students. So
Yes.
I have an idea that what is
Okay. Then it's
and
good.
how the teachers
Okay.
speak, what accent do they have. So
Right.
I'm familiar with it.
Okay.
Yesterday I actually booked a trial class. So this is my trial class. I haven't
Okay.
subscribed it yet.
Yes.
So that's only a trial class. I just want to see how the teachers are, and that's all.
Okay.
Mhm,
Yes. So the best part is we allow the learners or whoever subscribes to Clapingo to define the class on their own terms.
mhm.
So if you want to challenge yourself, there are a lot of learners who don't want to know what the topic of the discussion should be beforehand. So they don't even refer to the session notes that we offer. I don't know how Cambly works. I've
Mhm.
just heard about Cambly from other learners who
Right.
joined Clapingo, and they offer their comparison between Clapingo and Cambly. That is just a natural instinct that most subscribers have a
Mhm.
tendency to do. So I just know about Cambly from others. So was Cambly offering you any notes to, did you know, have a topic beforehand to discuss, or you just showed up and had a discussion?
So there are, I don't think so. There are some lesson notes they have to go through before taking an online class. And
Okay.
usually what I do, I just start conversing with the teachers. Like
Hmm.
it's a general conversation, a free conversation, and I just ask them questions about their
Okay.
country, their culture, and things.
Okay.
They ask me. So that is how we
Okay.
practice English. But I know that there are some lessons on the website as well. Some teachers
Okay.
like to have, like, there are IELTS section, conversation session, and different
Okay.
sections on Cambly. Like maybe you have heard of Engo. Are you familiar with it?
Yes, I've heard of Ingo. Yes, I've heard of it. Yes.
So they have the same kind of website where the lessons are
Okay.
there, the material are there. So
Okay.
I also use Engo. So I have different
Right.
platforms. So I just wanted to check Clapingo as
Okay.
well. Actually, I
Okay.
tried before, like 6 months or 8 months ago, in order to
Okay.
subscribe for Clapingo, but at that time, I think they were not taking students from outside India.
Yes.
So recently, I tried it again. Luckily, I
Okay.
like got the.
Yes. Yes. So they are upgrading the app every other week.
Right.
And yeah, the company is growing very fast. So they keep on updating the app, and now they're able to offer service to people outside India. So yeah, and they've created a parallel service for kids as well. In any case, the way you described, so for you, it was optional to go through a list of notes while you were using Cambly. Is that what you're saying?
Yes,
It was optional for you
like
to go through notes. All
we
right.
on Cambly, we do not get any notes in advance.
Okay.
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 Even like there are two types of lessons. One is the free
Hmm.
conversation. The other is when the teacher just takes the student to that website where there are
Okay.
material and they discuss those materials. Like I know
Okay.
Clapingo, there are things they, I think they send some lesson material or something, then
Yes.
student goes through it, and before taking class, then they discuss the same material. I know
Yes.
because of the videos
Okay.
I watched on YouTube.
Okay.
Right.
Yes. So the thing is, these so-called lesson notes, they're not very detailed.
Mhm.
Maybe in the first 10 sessions, you will get to know, we will be mentioned the basic concepts that we know. I think every English learner needs to know all the tenses before they start practicing their spoken English. So we
Right.
mention that for their benefit so that they can work on these concepts on their own. But primarily, we mention the session topic, and below the session topic, we mention a list of words. We have a separate section, the vocabulary section, where we mention a list of words related to the topic. So
Right.
it's
Right.
up to the learner. It will be totally up to you whether you want to discuss that topic because you like it, or you want to have a discussion of your own. It's completely up to you. But I personally feel the vocabulary section is the best part of all
Mhm.
the Clapingo notes because it
Right.
serves as a refresher for me as well. Definitely, it would serve as a refresher for anybody of any level who practices conversational skills at Clapingo. But then again, we don't hold you accountable for it. If you don't want to go through it, it's all right.